Hey stars, today I'm going to show you how I use Good Dye Young hair dye. Here we're going to be using this beautiful pink color on the lips, and then we're also going to be using this beautiful powder blue. If you don't know, Good Dye Young is vegan, cruelty free. The formulas are so creamy, they're so vibrant on the box once closed. Let's play with them and use them on my client today. This is my beautiful client Isaiah. So he previously had pink and blue in his hair. We're about 4 weeks out. It faded really nicely, so we're going to go ahead and retouch that today using Good Dye Young. So we're going to use on the list, and then we're going to use Stage Dive. Alright, I cut both of them with the conditioner because I want them to be a little bit more pastel-y, but I'm so excited. Here is the color on the head. I love how vibrant this pink is. We're going to let this process for 30 and then rinse it out. And here is the finished result. I'm so obsessed. This pink is so neon and vibrant, and I love the way that the pastel blue lay on top of his previous blue and turned this vibrant color. Such a cotton candy fantasy. I love it. Thank you so much again to my friends at Good Dye Young. The formula was so creamy. The colors are so vibrant. So honored that I sent me this package. Everyone please, I'll have them linked. Go check out their page. Check out the colors. These are exclusive to Target. And again, thank you so much.